Hi, my name is Barb Hush. I work for the Door County Library at the Forestville branch. And today I would like to do a simple craft that you can do with your children during these days when you are at home and you really need something to do. The craft that I have in mind is called Tiny Dancers. They are simple. You probably have most of the items in your house that you can make them with. And of course, you can always come up with your own ideas. All you need for these tiny dancers are cleaner, see? And I just used whatever I had around here, whether they're little colorful spangles or real buttons or stars that you might have, stickers of some sort. And the kids can just use their imagination when they make them and make them look however they want them to look. And of course, I always like the googly eyes. They just make the tiny dancers stand out. Also, turn on some music, and when your kids are all done crafting these cute little guys, they can have a dance party. All right, thank you. This is Barb Hush at the Forestville Library. Happy crafting. Bye.